Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bybit live stream today. I'll be host. My name is Sheikh Bilal. I'm the head of content at Bybit, and today I'll be hosting another live stream. And today's live stream is pretty much very special, and the session is especially relevant to our Bybit VIPs. And we will be diving into our new product, a brand new product that we have just launched, named as BYUSDT. So in this live stream, we'll be breaking down like what BuyUSDT is, how it works, and where it fits into the smart portfolio strategy, especially for our VIP users. And also, if you are a high network individual, if you do have like larger traded volumes, they are pretty much relevant for you, and also for you to understand how to use it efficiently within the Bybit ecosystem. With me today, I will have Echo. She is the product lead from Bybit Earn. I will be welcoming her to join me in this live stream today. Hey, Echo, how are you?
Hi, Sheikh. Thank you for that. Hello, everyone. I'm Echo from Bybit Earn team. I'm the product manager for Bybit Earn. And it's my great honor to be here to share with you guys our latest product, BuyUSDT. And if you're wondering what it is, how you can use it, just stay with us.
Amazing, cool, thanks you. Okay, so I mean, without further delay, let's just start with the quick introduction of what it's by USDT, and I would pretty much show you exactly what the product is in a brief way, and then probably I will pass it to Echo that she can probably delve into much more details about the product and give you a rundown of what BuyUSDT is and what makes it a bit more of a unique ecosystem. All right, so without further ado, we can just start. So what is BuyUSDT? So if we can say that more of like BuyUSDT is more of like a tokenized version of USDT, and it's more of like a flexible, easy earn saving balance that you can also use as a margin in the UTA unified account trading account in Bybit. So if you see in your screen, so it pretty much, like also it doubles your fund utility by getting you earn yields, and also you can trade with that at the same time. So just imagine having the same funds in your account, in the trading account, while you are generating good amount of yields. You can also use it to trade in the Bybit ecosystem. Bybit by USDT, it also is 1:1, so it means that it's swap redeem from flexible easy earn USDT position. And by USDT has the same yield with USDT flexible easy earn without platform rewards APR. And how it is all different from USDT, I think for that one, I will just invite Echoes to just kind of delve into much more detail into like by USDT, and also show you around the ecosystem, how to access it in further way. And before we pass to Echo, a quick announcement here for today. So we'll be having a giveaway in this live stream. And for the giveaway, it's pretty much host towards the VIP customers. And we'll be giving our VIP Nansen subscription for a giveaway. And also, we'll also be doing an airdrop. If you have any questions with regards to buy USDT, and if you want to ask those questions, for all the qualified questions, you have a chance to get a $5 airdrop. So stay tuned with us. We'll be taking up the giveaways questions at the end of live streams. And without further ado, I will just kind of pass into Echo so she can give you guys more details about BuyUSDT. Echo, floor is yours.
Yeah, so let me share my screen here. Yeah, so maybe you are very confused, like what is BuyUSDT? Is a stable coin? It's actually not. It's a tokenized version of your easy earn assets or your position of USDT. We don't have like trading pairs of BuyUSDT, or you cannot like withdraw or deposit. Then you might wondering like, what does it mean to me? I like if it's not a stable coin. Let me give you some examples. For example, if you are a trader, you keep trading all the times, but maybe under the current market condition, you don't trade all the time. You only find some very good points that you open your position, you grab the chance. But the rest of the time, your money, your USDT just sitting there doing nothing. Then what you can do now is to swap your USDT to BuyUSDT. So even when you are doing nothing, your USDT is earning money for you. It will share the exact same APR with flexible easy earn. That's for traders. But if you are earn users, you don't trade all the time. you doing earn most of the time. You put your USDT under your easy earn. But sometimes when the market is volatile and you see the trends, what you should do, you have to like redeem it from easy earn and you open your positions. That's one more step. But now you can directly swap your USDT easy earn position to BYUSDT. Then whenever you see the chance, you open your position immediately. You don't need to redeem again. And you can still enjoy the APR from easier. That's how you can use BYUSD as a tool for either earning or trading. It's our first try regarding combining the earning and trading within Bybit platform.
I mean, think like when I explore it more, it's quite interesting because like for definitely like people who want to do swing trading and they actually open long-term positions, I think this particular feature set is going to be quite interesting for them because sometimes these positions are pretty much open for a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. So while they enjoy their profits from those particular positions in from the derivatives or perpetuals, they can also enjoy the appreciation, the APR that you're getting from BYUSDT. So it's quite fascinating.
Yeah, so your money will never rest in whatever market condition you are.
Amazing. All right. And so can you also give us a little bit like more of like why it's special and exclusive to Bybit VIPs only? And that area still needs a little bit more clarification in my opinion.
Yeah, let me demo the process of using BYUSDT first. So we have this very decent landing page for BYUSDT, like whether you can complete your swap or you invest in easy earn or you redeem or see your position all in one page. And how you can find it? You can find it under your VIP Me page or you can find it on your Bybit Earn homepage. And if you come to this page, because for now, I think if you don't have any easy earn positions, you have to invest in easy earn first. So for example, you can click here. Let me just invest like $500 first. And I invest. We also put a small banner here. You can just click and direct to the landing page. And then you can swap BYUSDT. For example, I have 5,500. I can just swap whatever I want. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, I didn't leave it for longer to show you. It's absolutely one-to-one without no fees. So I just swap 5,500 USDT. I get the exact amount of BYUSDT, and the value is exactly the same. You see here. So what is more amazing that I can redeem it anytime to flexible easy earn. Like here, I can redeem whatever I want. Okay, although here shows a little bit a service fee, but it's actually not zero for now as well. And for under UTA, you can do this swap as do this redeem as well. For example, okay, I lose some money here. You are in USDT. It's negative 2,900 plus. So what I can do is I choose redeem, convert to USDT, and I can, okay, I didn't copy it, but I just key in. So it will be convert exactly one-to-one back to USDT under my UTA. So I click convert. Okay, it happened immediately. So you can see all my most of my debts is paid with the redemption of my BYUSDT. And let's go back. And the question from Shay is that what we have for VIP with BYUSDT. First of all, the feature of BYUSDT is for VIP only for now, but we are considering open to retail users very soon. So stay tuned if you are not a VIP yet. And second, we have a very juicy campaign ongoing for BYUSDT users or holders up to 800K plus USDT prize pool, which is super juicy and amazing. What you have to do is first you have to hold the BYUSDT. So you can just click here. Okay, I haven't logged in yet, but if you are logged in, you can click here, go to the landing page. You just simply at least 10K of BYUSDT, and you're involved in this campaign. And whoever swap and hold the BYUSDT during the period, you can share the 100K prize pool. And if you want to do trading and complete a task, you can win up to, this is how much? 700K plus USDT, which is super amazing. And don't forget, the whole process is 1-to-1 from USDT and zero fee, true zero fee. Even if you like swap back or you convert, there won't be any loss of your assets. Hey, Shake.
I mean, like the feature is quite amazing in terms like, and it's quite enticing. I think, like once it gets opened up for the retail customers as well, I think it's going to be, the feature is quite attractive, and I think like everybody can enjoy it. Thanks for the quick demo, Echo. And I have like one quick one as more of like to understand why did we come up with this product? What was the reason behind the product?
Yeah, I think that's a very good question. Like why we want to launch this product. The first question is definitely some requests from our traders. Like they are not doing trading all the time, but they still wanna keep their money grow. And this is what we provide to the traders. Just earn while you trade. No matter you are trading or not, you at least get some dessert from Bybit Earn. And the second is more for Earn users. Like they sometimes complain, okay, I put my money under Easy Earn and I always have to redeem from nets. I cannot have instant liquidity. And that's what we provide. It's 100% collateral rates, directly 1-to-1, zero fees for the Earn users. So, and you can use it as a margin all the time. And thirdly, I think which is one of the most important reason is that it has zero depegging risk. So it's 1-to-1 backed by your flexible and easy earn USDT. Because for that, I have questions from my friends or my colleagues quite a lot. Like, what is the difference between this BYUSDT and USDE? And how should I choose? So for USDE, it's like the underlying mechanism for generating yield is different. It's from the USDE is from delta neutral strategies. So there will be a few risk behind it, and it's a stable coin, so there is always risk of depegging. But for BYUSDT, there's no such risk. It's always strictly 1-to-1 to USDT, and there's no chance it will depeg unless something happened to Tether. But I don't think that will happen in the near futures. And maybe some users are not a believer of this new stablecoin. They just want to hold USDT. And this BYUSDT is definitely a good choice for you guys.
Amazing. And I mean, like also from the market sentiment right now, when market is more panicky and the risk appetite for the users might be a bit less right now to get involved in and especially like and then they have got like their stable coins sitting in their accounts, and maybe they might be using earn plan or they might not be using earn plan. So first of all, if you're not using any earn plan for Bybit, just do it now, because again, you can actually have a very good appreciation. And top of that, just getting ready for the next move for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. If you want to build up your positions, you can still use the same collateral while earning yields. You can actually do some good swings and use Bybit and BYUSDT I think it's an amazing product in that particular instance, and I fell in love with it because like, at the end of the day, like when I studied it a bit more, it's definitely something that I would use and recommend to my friends. Cool. Um, so more of like the closing from my side is, first of all, giving up like more of like if there are any questions from our users. Let me just quickly check if we have any questions here. So I have one question coming from one of our users, and they're saying, what's the minimum and maximum you can swap?
Yeah, I think for currently for VIP user, the maximum is 1 million, and the minimum I think is around 50 USDT at least. But that's quite low, especially for VIP.
Okay, cool. And the second question that we have is, what is BYUSDT's core competitive advantages as a stable coin? As you already mentioned, the depegging risk, that's not there, unless something happens to the tether. But also, like, they're saying it's reverse model, regulatory positioning, or ecosystem integration, and why?
Yeah, I think that's a very good question. So I think the big step from our side for BYUSDT is that it's our first try for tokenize something, especially like tokenize the earn assets. That's the brand new start for us to increase the utility of earn assets, to increase users capital efficiency, etc. So for now, we just tokenize easier in USDT. Maybe someday we can tokenize other assets and tokenize other products. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned. So this might come in the futures. Like you can imagine whatever you subscribe within Bybit Earn, it can be tokenized to some margin tokens and can be use it for trading, and you are earning and you are trading all the time. That would be a amazing future. Yeah.
Cool. We're getting some overwhelming response from our live stream today. We are getting a lot of questions here, and I cannot get like all of them. But again, we're selecting some of the good ones, and now the one I'm getting right now is like, in the unified trading account for Bybit, what is the collateral value ratio for BYUSDT, and does it also allow VIPs to use their earned yields directly as margin for high leverage derivative trades?
Yes. The collateral value rate is 100%. So no discount for your USDT at all. And the yield will be airdrop to you on daily basis in BYUSDT as well, which means your margin just simply grow with the yields.
Mm-hmm.
So
Cool. Okay. Another one is, does BYUSDT maintains its one ratio one pegging conversion with USDT flexible, easy earn without a lockup period, and then also can VIP mint and redeem it with zero fees during this launch phase?
yeah, I think the underlying of USDT flexible easier is our internal loan activities. So we have some liquidity management mechanism to keep our liquidity healthy within Bybit, but it's definitely not like percent uh, um, occupied during the whole period. So there will always be some USDT like idle, nobody is borrowing yet. That's how we keep it always 1-to-1 conversion with
Okay.
BYUSDT. And yeah, and during this, I think during the first 3 months, it will always be zero fees, so no discount.
Okay. And I have one more last question. Is there an APY on this?
Yeah. So the APR for BYUSDT will be exactly the same with flexible easier.
So whatever
Minus
the plan activated, yeah, whatever the plan you are using for it, yeah.
yeah. So but no platform bonus for USDT, because we always like add on, I think 5% for the first 100 USDT. But for BYUSD, you just enjoying the normal like borrowing and lending rate.
Amazing, cool. I think that pretty much wraps up all the question Q&A. Echo, thank you so much. I mean, like, first of all, I mean, thank you for thinking about the community and launching such good product, because at the end of the day, I think it helps the ecosystem, but it also helps users to enjoy the flexibility of yield generation alongside with participation in trading activities while using the same collateral. So I think that's a very cool feature. Can't wait to have it for the retail audience as well. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it for us for today's Buy USDT live stream. We covered why what's like the Buy USDT, how it works, and how you can actually start using it in the real scenarios. I found it quite useful. Make sure to stay tuned for our upcoming streams and some amazing products that we are bringing on the table. Bybit pretty much evolves with the scenarios and the market sentiments, and we pretty much hear to our users and our customers. As you can pretty much see the inspiration that, like when the customers need or they demand something, we always deliver. And we go into deeper strategies and updates in the new features. So thanks for spending a time with us today. It was lovely hosting some very, very amazing questions from the live stream today. And I will see you guys in the next live stream. Thank you so much, Echo. And thanks for all the viewers. Bye bye.
Thank you, Shake. Hope it can help you guys. Bye bye. See you next
Bye.
time.